So I was just looking at the map, and this part is called the Ledges. And now I understand why. This is like a straight drop down. Cool, let's go. 4 hours of driving done. I did not stop once, which is good. That was a long drive. I'm only hiking 5 kilometers today because it is impossible to get a backcountry site here. Been pretty much refreshing every day to see if some time off lines up with it, and I finally got it yesterday. So I'm super stoked to be here. So the trail I'm taking is actually part of the Bruce Trail, which is a 900 and some odd kilometer trail that runs from Tobermory, Ontario, down south to Niagara, which is absolutely wild, super cool. So I am excited to get to see part of it. But yeah, I only have to hike. I only have to hike. Man, we run out there. I don't know if he check me and you only go big. 5 kilometers in. The parking lot that I thought I was going to be in is full, so I am staying just a little bit further out, just close to the car camping sites. So I also am going to be hiking through what's normally car camping area, but I'm gonna shut up now and let's go. It's so quiet. So it was like super weird and super different about here is that I had to do like 2 kilometers through like regular campgrounds, like car camping. And it was just weird because I'm not used to rolling in and hiking with all my stuff with like so many other people. We're just hanging out, having a good time. So how many places do you get to go to where this is your hiking trail? Oh, unreal. Big problem. It's a little bit rocky. That's fine. I don't know how much of the trail is like this, because I've never been here. Climbing some rocks. Definitely the trail. Oh, I found it. I found no rocks. Heckin' right. Oh. Okay, we're off to a good start. Okay. Start there. So, some immediate elevation changes. Fun. I'm only like, I don't know, a kilometer away from the site. It's a short hike. So I was just looking at the map, and this part is called the Ledges. And now I understand why. This is like a straight drop down. Oh, camera's gonna go off for this one. hiking on a beach. Like beautiful, clear, turquoise water, white rocks. Like, look at this. Unreal. Also, sun's starting to set, so should probably move a little bit quicker. I'm gonna get settled in so I can go have dinner down at the beach. Dinner. This is the greatest dinner spot of all campsites ever. Also, I've got some beef pasta marinara, peak refuel. Man. See there. Pretty wicked views. This trail is not difficult by any means, but it is so rocky. So I'm moving at a pretty good pace, but I keep stepping in like all these different weird angles. Not going so hot for my ankles, I can tell you that much. Overall, pretty good trip. We made it back. It was only like a 6-kilometer hike back, but I'm glad. I am glad because I learned that I need to leave the park by 11 a.m. and it's currently 10:52, so that's good. I gotta take my time. I had breakfast down by the water, and I packed up slow and just really enjoyed the trail itself. The trail was packed, so I didn't do a ton of filming, but it was a blast. Thank you so much for watching. This is new for me. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. You can click on the little bell, tells you when I make new videos, but I do appreciate it. And if you want to see something different, let me know. Other than that, I will see you all next time.